In the shadow of World War II, a new battle began, not with guns, but with rockets reaching for the stars. Two superpowers emerged, the United States and the Soviet Union, locked in a silent war of technology. This was the space race, a contest that would redefine human ambition and reshape the future forever. It began in 1957, when the Soviet Union shocked the world with a small satellite named Sputnik. Signals echoed across Earth, proving humanity had touched the edge of space for the first time. In 1961, the world held its breath as Yuri Gagarin orbited Earth, becoming the first human in space. His journey lasted just 108 minutes, but its impact would echo across generations. The Soviet Union celebrated, while the United States faced mounting pressure to catch up. Then came a bold promise from President John F. Kennedy, one that would change history forever. He declared that America would land a man on the moon before the decade ended. Fear spread across America as citizens realized their rival now had unmatched technological power. The Cold War grew colder, but the race for space ignited a fiery urgency in both nations. The United States responded swiftly, pouring resources into science, education, and rocket development. NASA was formed in 1958, marking a new era of exploration and determination. Meanwhile, the Soviets continued their dominance, pushing further into the unknown. It was a daring goal. Ones of rockets were designed, tested, and sometimes exploded in fiery setbacks. Each failure became a lesson, each success a step closer to the stars. The Saturn V rocket emerged as humanity's most powerful machine ever built. Towering over 100 meters tall, it symbolized hope, risk, and unmatched human ingenuity. Astronauts trained relentlessly, preparing for a mission no human had ever attempted. The dangers were immense, yet their courage pushed them beyond fear. Meanwhile, the Soviets struggled to maintain their early lead in the race. Secret programs and failed launches slowed their progress toward the moon. The world watched closely as on July 16, 1969, millions watched as the Saturn V roared into the sky. 3 astronauts were aboard. Their journey would take them farther than any humans had ever traveled before. After days in space, they reached the moon and prepared for the historic landing. The lunar module Eagle separated and descended toward the unknown surface below. Alarms sounded, fuel ran low, and tension filled mission control. Then came the words that would define a generation. The Eagle has landed. Humanity had reached the moon, fulfilling Kennedy's bold vision. Neil Armstrong stepped onto the lunar surface, leaving the first human footprint. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. The moment united the world, transcending politics and conflict. The American flag stood on the moon. It inspired generations to dream beyond Earth and reach for the impossible. The rivalry faded, but its legacy, the space race proved that even in conflict, progress can unite us. And in the vast silence of space, humanity found its greatest voice.